Alright, I'm back again. Dropped my camera on the floor, which was very nice, just very beautiful. Let's see if I can do it again with my hat. My hat rim hit it. Okay, so we're in the back track. Okay. And then oh, this is difficult. Just because I can't buy this. I can't find it anywhere on the internet. I'm frustrated. Okay, way it looks like to me if we just go 2 inch by 2 inch. Just making an even 2 inch by 2 inch. We need 3. Yeah. Yeah, if we go 2 inch by 2 inch. So 3 90-degree. I wonder if I got some. I bet that's heavy metal though. So what I want to do now is I want to make a 90, so it bolts these bolts here down here. Well, here you can't see it. Bolts these 3 bolts, then it goes 90 at the tip of my finger, and then 90 across. Then it gets welded to those tracks I made. Okay. So I just wonder if I got some 90-degree angle iron that's really thin. That's what I need right now. I gotta put you on pause.